Anyway, I've come down to the large campsite that we actually have on the property. It gets used by a lot of groups. Magnificent space, and there's quite a variety of different plants here. We are completely, it completely runs alongside the creek river. It has platypus and eel and trout in it. That's the direction from which we drive down. As you can see, there's a bit of a steep descent, so we only ever have all-wheel drives here, but I'll do a video about them later. What I'm actually going to do is go to one of my most favorite little spots, and it'll be a short video because it's only a very short little walk. It's a bit like walking into a secret garden. Okay, so here we go. Very quickly, we just enter a completely different space. I am going to just turn around, and there's very little of what we've left behind there. And we've come straight into kind of semi-rainforest area of the property. Lots of wood around for campers to find and use. Bonfires. Check out that creek. That is just beautiful. A couple of branches coming down over it. That'll happen in a wind. It's all part of property maintenance. We'll get around to it. We're encouraging the ferns all to grow in here. Natives. Pretty lucky because, a lot of the area where we live, there is still quite a lot of willow. That water is so clear and beautiful. Oh, and I discovered this just very recently. Nice little kind of track for an animal here, which looks like it's going straight into a burrow. Hope you can see that. We have actually got some trail cams out and have pictured, wombats and bandicoots and Tassie devils. I don't know what could be living in there, but look at this. Just gorgeous. Got quite a lot of native plants here too, with berries. This one actually makes quite a nice little jam. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. Quite easy to just join a little gardening group on Facebook and take pictures of the plants that could be yours. Coming up just to the end of this little walk, where trees come over a long time ago, growing with moss. Just through there is another little sort of treed area. I'm actually not going to walk through there. And it does actually go to the boundary of the property. And on the other side of that fence line, looks like the surface of the moon. It's really weird to have all this really semi-rainforest area and then end up looking at something that's just been over-farmed. Here's some birds. All you hear is the birds and the water. There's a fence on the other side. That's because that's their neighbouring property. But even from here, I'm not entirely certain where their house is. Or maybe it's just through there. It's far, far away. This area is completely private. If you're in here, chair in here, just enjoy the serenity. I'll go up this way. And yeah. Own private piece of paradise in here, that's for sure. And I hope you enjoyed this little video. We're selling, and that means that my time walking these beautiful little walks that we have on the property is just about over. Anyway, let us know what you think, and see you next video.